there's a vegetable. The uncle, he have us to pick out the sugar cane.
Yes,
So you don't have to go deep to the water. You can go very fast. มีไม้เยอะๆนะ
มีหมาด้วย
มาอยู่ใช่
So this is snail. This kind of vegetable is like we call for talapos.
Moon was on our side once upon a time.
Hello guys. Today I just come nearby the stream. We just come and pick up the snail, cookie snail. So when you look at here, the weather is super nice, and then it's like windy, and then the air is very fresh. Now there's a vegetable inside the plastic bag. Yeah. The uncle, he have us to pick out the sugar cane. So I think it might be very hard to eat. I don't know, because the skin is very hard. Actually, the sugar cane is just here. There's a lot of sugar cane, and then we asked him to pick out the sugar cane for us because he have a knife, right? So he just cut the sugar cane. It's very cool because the weather is very nice. Look at here. And then it's windy. Hello. Yes, my sister. Yeah, we just waited for her husband because he's trying to find the snake around that area or over there. Over there, I will show you. Snake just the corner, so you don't have to go deep to the water. Just you go around beside the corner, you will find the snake, the cookie snake. While over there is a kind of boat that we have a machine. It can go very fast. Look at here, that brother, he just fishing, and then when you look at over this side, yeah, this side, so there's a kind of the breed fish, so which means maybe they will just have a small fish. Later on the fish will grow over there, and they will have a lot of fish. Yeah, but for this stream is like free for everyone. Yeah. So there is a little bridge, you can go there and cross over this side.
ถ้าจะเลยหรอ
ช็อกโกแลตก็มี
ไม่เอาช็อกโกแลตถ้าเป็นอย่างว่าอาเปียอะไรเย็นมาตอนนั้นไม่ต้องไปขุด
没有。
ไปชิมเลยดิ40 บาท
哦。 ท่าไหร่
อัน
คะ
นั้นมาแพ
อัน
รี่
นี้อันนี้25 บาท
อันนี้เอาแค่10 บาทนี่พอแล้วอร่อยอร่อยที่สุด
ขอบคุณค่ะ
จ้า
จะไปขานู่เหรอ
มีบ้านไหม
บ้านเยอะไหม
บ้านเยอะไหมเหรอ
ฟานู่บ้านเยอะไหม
เยอะ
เยอะเหรอไอ้เมีย
แต่แถวนี้ไม่มีบ้านนะน่ากลัว
อ๋อกลัว
มีไม้เยอะๆนะ
มีหมาด้วย
อ๋อมาอยู่ใช่
หมาหอมากเลยนะ ถ้าไปแก้บ้านนี่หอมากเลย ไม่กล้าไปแล้วกลัวหมากัด
อืม
มากกันใช่ก็จะ
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
จะ
Yeah, no problem. So now my sister bought for me ice cream. Hello, now we are going back. Actually, we cannot find a lot of snail in those kind of season. So this is snail. Just a few, not a lot.
แล้วเราก็บอก
So we're going back.
ไม่อยากจะรับว่าอยากจะทำมันอ่ะ
Alright? So now we are picking up a vegetable. So this kind of vegetable is like we cook for talapos, yeah. Okay guys, so this is all about my videos about this evening. We just come near by the stream, we pick up snail and then we pick up vegetable. Bye, thank you so much for watching
Bye,
videos.
the kids